When you walk into your bathroom, do you feel like the floor is never clean even though you scrub and mop it every week? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, I'll share some simple methods for cleaning grout lines right after this.
If your old kitchen's full of fumes and your bath's a steamy mess, they need a makeover, and you need to enter the Healthiest Home on the Block contest, brought to you by Brown Newtone and Today's Homeowner. The winner gets a healthy home audit, a kitchen range hood, bath vent fans, and a whole house ventilation system. Plus, their makeover will be featured on a special episode of the Today's Homeowner TV show. See official rules and enter now for your chance to win the healthiest home on the block at todayshomeowner.com/healthyhome.
Tile floors, whether ceramic or porcelain, are a great choice for bathrooms because they hold up so well to moisture. But the grout lines between the tiles can be a real problem if they aren't sealed to prevent dirt and grime from seeping into the porous surface of the grout. Before you can seal it, you have to clean it thoroughly. Try spraying the grout lines with hydrogen peroxide, then wait about 30 minutes, then scrub with a stiff nylon brush. A combination of baking soda and white vinegar is another great cleaning solution. Once the grout is scrubbed and rinsed clean, wait at least 48 hours to make sure the floor is dry, and then use a good quality sealer to form an impenetrable layer over the grout to keep dirt and grime away. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.